Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be doing an oil change on my beauty 650 2015 BMW Grand Coupe N63 Tu motor. Let's get it.
Are you focusing?
Yeah. Right. So the tools we're going to be using is a 5/16 torque wrench, or whatever you call this. I highly recommend an extension with the right driver, and this one I recommend the oil cap instead of using the actual wrench. I really recommend the cap for the BMWs. It's really difficult to get into it, so I recommend this. Link in the description. All right, so front of the car, we go all the way back. Right here is your oil filter, and to the left of that would be, where the hell is it? Right there. That's how we make it nice and easy by putting it straight with the cutouts instead of Mercedes. You gotta get the ugly ass undercarriage off. But this one, just... Is this safely Lucy?
Yeah, you're just weak. You want the breaker bar?
No, I don't need it. Hold on to this.
Oh. Wow.
Wait, give me the... Fuck.
That bolt was fat.
It's a chode. You know what a chode is, right? Yeah. It's thick, all girth, no length. You're gonna kill me.
What?
I forgot my oil filter at home. Alright, so we got the chode. I don't think we can say that. Okay, so we got the old drain plug. Take out the old gasket and put the new one, or the O-ring, whatever you want to call it. Ta-da! And then the part that we did get is the Mahali oil filter OX353-7D. It has the gasket too, so we're gonna take out the oil filter right now, and this is how the oil filter looks like. Check with the flathead. But take out the old one. Get the new one. You know, just you can use whatever oil, just lubricate it up, and then you just put it in. Ta-da. And then, so it's a little bit tricky, but for this side, that part goes in. So if you look at this side, it's like a more of a deep hollow end. Oh, here's more shallow. And then you gotta hear that click. There you go. You can do a pull test too. And then you just go inside, clog it back up. The type of oil we're gonna be using is, you guessed it, Mobil 1. 5W30. I'm using the high mileage because I have 92,000 miles on my car. And I'm loving every mile of it. So this car takes 10 quarts. What I'm doing is, we get these come with 12 quarts. So we're filling up 2 quarts on the side. I hate this bottle. And then we're just gonna let the whole 10 quarts just drain in there. That's pretty much it. Alright, first thing, make sure the car is in accessory mode or on position. Doesn't matter what screen it's on, you just press and hold the button here. There you go. So vehicle check. You know, we could reset that. Go through the whole thing. Oil change. That's the one that we're trying to change. Reset, press and hold. Yep. Let it reset in progress. Also, I'm gonna do like the other one because I hate when it says service overdue. Successful. They say 11,000. I never do that. I do it like a 5 to 6. Brake fluids, front brake pads. So it says vehicle check. It's overdone, but It's just BMW trying to make your car go into the dealership. So reset. Yep, press and hold. Let it reset through. Ta-da. Don't forget to recycle your oil. And also like, comment, subscribe. We always like to keep the earth clean. Damn, this is bad. How many? This is like 6,000 miles. I know I should have done it every 5, but school and stuff. Life in Germany. This is one thing for
Make this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the get outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. It's Nike boys hopping our coast. This shit way too.
I'm a killer.
Yeah.
Let's go.
big. When we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had up at Boost. Had to hit my old town to duck the news.